Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious egg uttapam, an easy and satisfying South Indian dish. To begin, you'll need a well-fermented uttapam batter. This is typically made from rice and lentils, and its thick, pourable consistency is key. Preparing the batter a day in advance allows for optimal fermentation, giving your uttapam that perfect tangy flavor and fluffy texture. It's the foundation for a truly great meal. Next, let's prepare the flavorful additions. You'll want to whisk 2 fresh eggs with just a pinch of salt and a dash of pepper until they are lightly combined. For the toppings, finely chop 1 small onion, 1 vibrant green chili, and a handful of fresh coriander leaves. These fresh ingredients are not just for garnish. They infuse your uttapam with essential aromatic flavors and a delightful texture, making every bite exciting. Now, for the cooking. Heat a non-stick pan over a steady medium flame and lightly grease it with a touch of oil. Pour about 1/2 cup of your prepared batter onto the pan, gently spreading it into a thick, round circle. Immediately sprinkle your chopped vegetables and then carefully pour the whisked egg mixture evenly over the batter. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on each side until it's beautifully golden brown and thoroughly cooked through. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Serve your hot egg uttapam immediately to savor its best taste and texture. This versatile dish pairs wonderfully with traditional accompaniments like a creamy coconut chutney, a hearty sambar, or a zesty spicy tomato chutney. Whether you're looking for a quick breakfast, a satisfying brunch, or a light dinner, egg uttapam is a fantastic and flavorful choice for any meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.